Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show how to create an Instagram account. So let's start it. We can create Instagram account through any browser or Instagram apps. I will show through Instagram app. Open Instagram app if have already installed. Or if not installed, then install it from Play Store. Now click on create a new account. If you want to open account with phone number, then enter your phone number here. And if you want to open account through Gmail, then click on this option below. Click on next with your Gmail account here. I will create account by phone number, so backing from here. Here I will give my phone number and click next. You will give your name in this interview. After giving the name, click next. In this interface you will give a password of your choice. After entering the password, click on next. One such pop-up notification show on the screen. Here it says if you want to save password, then click on save option, or if you don't want to save, then click not. In this interface you will give your date of birth. While giving the date of birth, please note that the age should be above 13 years. After giving the age, click on the next. In this interface you can see the username of your Instagram account. Username will be generated automatically. If we want, can change our username here. We can select the username of our choice. The username we select must be unique. Green mark will appear here when the name is unique. After selecting the username, click on next. This interface provides Instagram terms and policies. If you want, you can read them and then click on I agree option. In this interface, if you want to add profile picture of your Instagram account, then you can add by clicking here, or if you want to add later, click on skip. Skip here too. Instagram account has been successfully created. Now we can make any post, like, comment through our Instagram account. To edit our profile, we will click on this option of profile. And click on edit profile. Here we can customize our profile by add picture, name, username, pronounce, and also add Facebook ID or page, and write to bio. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.